Welcome to Decor Tricks, your source for timeless interior ideas and smart home design. A beautiful kitchen can catch your eye, but a well-designed kitchen transforms the way you live. It's where everyday routines become easier, where space feels more open, and where every detail serves a purpose. From clean, modern layouts to smart storage and refined finishes, the right design choices can turn any kitchen into a space that feels both effortless and inviting. In this video, explore kitchen design ideas that combine style, function, and comfort, creating a space that works as beautifully as it looks. Modern kitchen design begins with flow. Spaces are no longer closed off, they're connected, open, and designed to feel effortless to move through. An open concept layout allows the kitchen to blend naturally with the living and dining areas, creating a sense of space that feels larger, brighter, and more welcoming. At the center of it all, the kitchen island becomes more than just a surface. It's a place to prepare meals, gather casually, and add extra storage, bringing both function and balance to the room. Behind every beautiful kitchen is a layout that works. Thoughtful positioning of key areas, like the sink, stove, and refrigerator, helps create a smooth, efficient workflow, making everyday tasks feel easier and more intuitive. Modern kitchens embrace simplicity, but never at the cost of personality. Clean lines and uncluttered surfaces create a sense of calm, allowing the space to feel open and refined. Flat panel cabinets and handleless designs keep the look seamless, while integrated appliances blend effortlessly into the background. Everything feels intentional, with nothing distracting from the overall harmony. But minimalism isn't about removing character, it's about choosing it carefully. Subtle textures, soft wood tones, and gentle contrasts add warmth and depth without overwhelming the space. The result is a kitchen that feels balanced and inviting, where every detail has a purpose, and every element works together to create a quiet, modern elegance. The materials you choose shape the entire feel of the kitchen. They define not just how it looks, but how it lives and lasts over time. Natural surfaces like stone countertops bring a sense of durability and quiet luxury, while wood elements introduce warmth and texture that soften the overall design. This balance between solid and organic creates a space that feels both modern and inviting. Finishes also play a key role. Matte surfaces offer a smooth, understated look, reducing glare and adding a more refined, contemporary touch. And then there's the backsplash, often the visual highlight of the kitchen. Whether it's a full-height slab, a textured pattern, or a subtle geometric design, it draws the eye and adds depth without overwhelming the space. Together, these elements create a layered design, where every surface contributes to a cohesive, elevated look. A well-designed kitchen doesn't just look organized, it stays organized. Smart storage turns everyday use into a seamless experience, where everything has its place and is always within reach. Deep drawers replace traditional cabinets, making it easier to see and access cookware without digging through clutter. Pull-out shelves and sliding systems bring hidden items forward, saving time and effort. Vertical storage takes advantage of unused space, while corner solutions transform difficult areas into fully functional zones. Even the smallest gaps can be optimized with clever, built-in designs. The goal is simple: reduce visual clutter while increasing usability. When storage is thoughtfully planned, the entire kitchen feels cleaner, calmer, and far more efficient. Lighting is what brings the kitchen to life. It shapes how the space feels, highlighting textures, enhancing colors, and creating depth throughout the room. A well-lit kitchen uses layers. Ambient lighting provides overall brightness, task lighting focuses on work areas like countertops, and accent lighting adds a subtle sense of style and dimension. Under-cabinet lighting gently illuminates surfaces, making everyday tasks easier while adding a soft, modern glow. Pendant lights above the island act as both functional elements and design features, drawing the eye and anchoring the space. With the right lighting, the kitchen can shift effortlessly from bright and practical during the day to warm and inviting in the evening. Color sets the tone for the entire kitchen. It influences how the space feels, whether calm and airy, or bold and dynamic. Neutral palettes remain a strong foundation. Shades like white, soft gray, and warm beige create a clean backdrop that feels timeless and easy to live with. To add depth, contrast becomes essential. Darker lower cabinets, a statement island, or subtle metallic accents can introduce visual interest without overwhelming the space. Two-tone designs also bring balance, combining light and dark elements to define different areas and add dimension. The key is harmony. When colors work together, the kitchen feels cohesive, refined, and effortlessly modern. Modern kitchens are becoming smarter, without losing their sense of style. Technology is seamlessly integrated, enhancing convenience while staying visually subtle. Smart appliances simplify daily routines, offering precision, efficiency, and control at your fingertips. Touchless faucets improve hygiene and ease of use, especially during busy moments in the kitchen. Built-in charging stations and hidden outlets keep devices powered without adding clutter to the space. Even small upgrades can make a noticeable difference in how the kitchen functions day to day. It's not about adding more, it's about adding better. When technology is thoughtfully integrated, the kitchen becomes more intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to use. A modern kitchen is never just about trends, it's about creating a space that feels right every single day. When design, function, and comfort come together, the kitchen becomes more than a room, it becomes the heart of the home. For more refined ideas and timeless interior inspiration, stay connected with Decor Tricks and explore what thoughtful design can truly do for your space.